Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel.
Massive turnout by Nigerian Labour Congress, Trade Union Congress, and National Negotiating Congress. Members of the staff at Osun State Secretariat here in Abere turn out massively to welcome the new governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Jackson Adeleke, the people's governor. This is the first time in the history of the creation of Osun State that people will turn out en masse to welcome a governor. It has never happened. Here comes the governor, handsome governor, good-looking governor, the people's governor, the governor that cares about the people, the governor that prioritizes the welfare, the well-being of his people. Yes, the people's governor. Massive turnout. Oh boy, this is fantastic. I've never seen such a turnout like this before. This is not a mega rally, oh. No be mega rally we dey do, oh. Inu yidu abi. Inu yidu. Inu yidu. Imole ti dé. Imole ti dé. Imole ti dé. Imole dé, oh. Olúwo ṣé o. Araj. We dey here. Ogatia. Oya. Glory be to God.